Howden Insurance Car Insurance Review Usage Experience. Links to Howden Insurance Car Insurance are in the description below. In this video, I'll share my personal experience with Howden Insurance, breaking down its key features, who it's best suited for, and why it might be the right choice for your car insurance needs. Howden Insurance is known for offering tailored, comprehensive car insurance solutions with a strong focus on customer service and competitive pricing. They work with a variety of car owners, from everyday drivers to those with specialized vehicles. One of the standout features of Howden Insurance is its flexibility. Whether you're looking for a basic third-party policy or a more extensive, fully comprehensive cover, Howden offers a range of options to fit your specific needs. They also cater to different types of vehicles, from family cars to more niche models like electric or hybrid cars, ensuring that their policies cover the latest automotive technologies. Howden Insurance is particularly well regarded for its dedicated customer support. Their team is knowledgeable and quick to respond, which is a key selling point for anyone looking for assistance during the claims process. They also offer discounts for no claims, and for those who drive fewer miles, which can help keep your premiums down. Another key feature is the add-ons available for extra coverage. Howden offers a range of optional extras, such as breakdown cover, windscreen repair, and key replacement, which allow customers to customize their insurance to their personal preferences and lifestyle. Additionally, Howden has a reputation for competitive pricing. While premiums can vary depending on your driving history and vehicle type, they are generally considered affordable for the level of coverage they offer. In conclusion, Howden Insurance is a great choice for drivers looking for comprehensive and customizable car insurance options. Whether you need basic coverage or additional features for specialized vehicles, Howden provides a solid, reliable service. Check the links in the description below for more details and to get a quote today.